Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to my channel with another exciting video. And first of all, thanks for all your support and watch and like and comment. So these are the chrysanthemums I planted for propagating this. I take this cutting out from these plants here. There are a lot of plants here. I took the cutting from few of these sides. You can see like I took the cuttings because chrysanthemums is important that you pinch them so that it have multiplies the head and it have lot of flowers. You can see I pinch them one and it's have come with three big main stem and side shoots as well. So and I did few more here as well. This is also I pinched few days back and you can see there are 3-4 shoots already. So keep pinching until like flowered buds are coming. There are some flowered buds already came, so I'll be like it's only June here now, middle of June, so it will be more time to grow and having more fruits for more flowers. For example, this is a big stem, it's come from the base and this is already big enough, so I'll just pinch this one to multiply this. The pinching technique will be just pinch from here, don't worry about the leaves, this will be fine. Just pinch the head so that it stop growing on top and it start growing from the side shoots, so it will have some side shoots coming up. I used to pinch them, so that's the way. Like I took the cutting like this size of it, this size, around this size, you can see this size. So I cut that and just simply put in the soil. This is the easiest method to propagate the chrysanthemums. I'll just show you like how the these ones are like. I'm just going to replant here, so I just put the soil here. I hold the camera in one hand, so there are, yeah, so just taking this out. Yeah, you can see that how much roots here. So this stem have lot of roots coming up. So you can use the rooting hormone that will encourage this growing part. So you can see a lot of roots are here. I'm just going to repot here this one and I'll be repotting this on the other side. There is another small one I put here. Let me see, this is also start rooting, so yeah, that's also good as success. Still like it's drying up but as this is rooting, so I'll plant this, so hope I'll get this this one coming up. So you will see most of the success rate with this method. This one is dying. I know why it's dried because I pinch first and keep a day indoor before planting. It took some time to plant and it was already drying, and that's why I think it's died. And these two I just cut and replanted. I have not waited. Other thing, like when you are using such pot like this, and I put a base because of so that water hold here, and I put indoor and cover with a plastic in this one, so that it's like keep the moisture, keep the plastic for approximately 7 days. That will give you enough time to start the rooting system, and then you can remove the plastic cover, and then they will grow as normal. And that's what it's happened for this plant. And you can see how good success rate is this one and the other